Wow, take a look at this beautiful new body cell 2008 Chevy Silverado 1500. This is the top of the line LTZ model, fully loaded, extended cab 4-door, short bed, 4-wheel drive, 5.3 liter V8 engine. Aftermarket wheels, exhaust, beautiful condition as you can see. It's got the bed rails, pocket flares. This is an out-of-state vehicle. It's got the chrome running boards, heavy duty guard in the front, high intensity headlights, fog lights, no hail on this vehicle. The body's in remarkable condition, folks. Tires are in good shape. 2 hubcaps are missing in the front. We're going to take care of that. You don't have to worry about it. They're 16 bucks. I've already ordered them. Power heated bucket seats in the front with a moonroof. Factory navigation with the backup camera, adjustable foot pedals, dual climate zone, shifter on the fly, 4-wheel drive, wood trim dash. Take a look under the doors, the cab corners, the rockers are really clean. Even these back windows, they come all the way down. It's got the spray liner. Step on the gas, let them hear the exhaust real quick, please. LTZ trim. Take a look at this other side. Dual power seats. Let's take you guys on a short test ride. Here we have the automatic climate control. Here's the passenger and the driver. We have the adjustable pedals, stability control, automatic washers for the windshield, iPod connection, power moonroof, power windows. I was under the impression that this vehicle had the backup camera built in here, but it does not. Automatic transmission does go from gear to gear without any delays. Similar to this truck is this red one here. That's also an 08 extended cab, but as you can see, that's plain Jane. No aftermarket accessories like a lift kit like this one. And that one's an LT. This is the LTZ. This one's top of the line. As you can see, we have a whole bunch of other trucks for you to choose from. All the Chevys are in the back, with the exception of a few. Maybe once we get back here, I want to have Eric jump out and show you the Chevys on the back. And Eric, why don't you show him this 11 Silverado too when we get back, please? So back to the test drive of this LTZ extended cab with the 5.3. This was a out-of-state purchase. Typically what we like to do, because we hear from our good customers like yourselves that you don't want rusty vehicles. So we go in the 5-state area and try to basically fish for vehicles that look nice like this, that are rust-free. As you can see, the engine is strong, transmission shifts good. That's a sharp-looking truck. I mean, no doubt about it. You got the lift kit, the aftermarket wheels. Once I put the 2 center caps, then it would look much nicer. Brakes feel great. There's no pulsation. All the signals, all the lighting, all the gauges work. Power steering doesn't have any issues. Windshield wipers work correctly. Front end is tight. It's a really nice truck. Despite having 150,000 miles, which a lot of people think are not that many miles, the vehicle's in good shape. This one even has the turn signals built into the mirrors. I'll show you how that works. With the power fold-in. So that's part of the LTZ. You get the upgraded Bose audio. You get the heated seats on the door panel there. You get memory seats for the driver. You get the nice wood trim dash here. Financing is available on this vehicle. All you have to do is fill up a simple online application for credit. It will come to us. But basically, the purpose of this video is to give you my opinion on it. And I think we've demonstrated that the body's clean, the interior is nice, mechanically it drives good. This is fresh in our inventory, so we haven't had a chance to detail it. But for what it is, it's clean. I'm going to have my coworker Eric jump out real quick, start. We'll briefly show you this from inside the truck, this red 08 Z71, which is the stock height with the 5.3. That one has 137,000. Eric, if you could please jump out and start with this 11 Silverado. The other ones are all crew cabs now. Eric, why don't you hop over real quick and talk to the folks?
Alrighty guys, how you guys doing today? I want to invite you guys down here to Ride Auto. We got this 2011 Silverado as well, with some nice tires and wheels that we put on here for you guys. It has 140,000 miles. This one drives really great. I want to invite you guys to come down here to come check this nice truck out. Engine is strong, transmission is strong. I mean, you guys are seeing it. It's clean. We know you guys like rust-free vehicles, so we try to get them as clean as possible. Come take a look at them. As you guys can see here, and it's not our only Silverado. We have a lot more. We have this '08 GMC Sierra as well. That one's actually a 2500 HD. We got this '08 Silverado with 144,000 miles. We got this Sierra as well, an '08. This one is nice. It's got the topper in the back for anybody who's looking to have a topper for the vehicle. I mean, it comes to very great convenience. This one has 158,000 miles. And we got some more over here. We got a actually really nice GMC Sierra. This one is so clean. I definitely like this one personally myself, but I'm not looking for a truck. But I invite you guys to come take a look at this one. I mean, you guys are seeing it. It's a very unique color. It's like a purple blue. 2010 125,000. Has some nice wheels on them, chrome wheels, chrome accessories around the handles. You guys are seeing it. We got this Silverado '08, 147,000 miles. This one drives really great as well. It's got the chrome side steps, very nice tires. As you guys can see, this one has 147,000 miles. And we want to invite you guys to come take a look at all our vehicles here. We don't just have Silverados and Sierras. We got Dodge Rams, we got Fords, we got all types for all you guys, okay? So come take a look. Our number is 952-882-7776. My name is Eric. We got Richard. I speak Spanish as well, and we also have Miguel, who's also speaking Spanish. So give us a call. Thank you.